Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking one card for your work situation or your career, guys, and one card for your love energy, guys. So, this oracle card will answer the questions you have about your relationship, guys, and your work situation. So we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading. Gemini, the fates. Gemini, with this card, the energy is that, guys, it is really difficult to understand why certain things happen to good people, certain painful things. So, destiny is a mystery, fate is a mystery, guys. So, what we do with such circumstances, the way we respond to these difficult times, the challenges, how we face, how we rise up and greet our destiny. So, that is what will uh, be the guiding light in our life, guys. So we need to be aware of our powerlessness. So certain situations change, but certain situations we cannot change. We do not have control over it. So in those situations we need to surrender to acceptance. Just we need to just hang in there and wait for life to get better, guys. So we can change only the attitude we have towards life, and we cannot change the fate. So what we cannot change, we cannot do anything about, guys. So we need to understand that. So this may be regarding your work situation, whatever is happening, that situation totally you are unprepared of. So you do not know the way, which way to go and what to do. So you don't know what is the reason for the situation and how it is going to benefit you, guys. So you just have to surrender to the situation and wait for things to change. So when you wait patiently, accepting what is happening today, you will see your bright future, guys. So that is the energy. So whenever this card appears in the reading, guys, it just means that you need to accept the things that you cannot change, and courage, and have that courage to change the things that you can, and know the difference between both, guys. That is wisdom. So that is the oracle's guidance for your Gemini, for your work situation. Maybe you are in certain difficult times, and certain things you will not get understanding, guys. Certain situations you may feel you will not understand why it occurred in a particular way. So you need to accept it as a mystery and work with your current circumstances. So whatever learning, whatever lessons you have to learn, you will learn from it. So that is the oracle message for your career, guys. For your relationship, never ending story. Gemini, with this card, the oracle message is that, guys, uh, regarding our past, regarding our situations, the way we are hurt, the loss we face, the rejections, the humiliations. So, whatever sufferings we go through is all because of some unnecessary dramas that we have, guys, in life. So we need to stop that. We need to understand that. So something tells us that we should not go there, we should not do this, we should not say this, and certain things will change. So what that voice that speaks within ourselves is just our conditioning based on the past, based on our past hurts. So it always wants us to be the victim. So we have to have that understanding, and we should give up that fear. So when we base our decisions on that distorted guidance that we get from ourselves, we are vulnerable, and we change our ways very soon, guys. So you need to have compassion for our past, have that understanding, guys. And sometimes in a relationship, we feel that we are being neglected, and we feel some kind of shame, or we fear some intimacy, and we feel low self esteem sometimes. All these are our own viewpoints or something negative regarding some relationship based on our past experience, guys. So we need to have a clear understanding. So based on the stories that we create about our past, about that love, about the connection, about this relationship, so you need to understand how your mind weaves many stories, and it creates problems. It wants to live only in the negative energy. It will not accept anything positive. So you have to have that clear understanding and have compassion for that part of yourself which is creating stories, guys. So none of it is true. So now it is the time, guys, in this relationship, to have that knowledge about this person, what is their truth, without your preconceived notions. So when you see that, when you are able to see that truth in that other person, and when you are able to relate to that true part of this person, you will overcome these stories. You will overcome this distorted guidance, your mind voice, whatever negatives that it is telling you about this relationship, guys. So that is the oracle message for y'all, Gemini. So you need to be aware of these things, of all these dramas that is happening within ourselves. So if you just take a pause and watch it, this drama will pass, and you will uh, carry on in your life, guys, happily. So that is what uh, is the oracle message for you guys. So you need to have that deep clarity, guys, to tell your new story in your life, and leave out all that past that is hurting you, and that is making your life falsely dramatic. So you have to leave all that. So that is the reading for your Gemini, and thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.